How to activate Sam's Club Mastercard. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily uh, activate the Sam's Club Mastercard. So let's just jump right in. First thing you have to do is just go to your web browser and search for Sam's Club Mastercard. Hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see, synchrony.com, and it will redirect you to the Sam's Club. Now, in order to activate your card, you can just click on this activate card button. And now you're just going to have to provide your card number, your security code that's on the back of your card, and the last 4 digits of your social security number that's connected to your card. And after entering all of these details, all you have to do is click on activate my card, and it will automatically activate your Sam's Club credit card after some time. Then you should be able to use it anywhere you want. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.